To delete messages on your iPhone is pretty simple. Just go into any message thread, tap and hold on a message that you've sent, tap on more, and we see the message is selected. You can then select others and then press delete to delete them. You can even delete entire message threads. If you go back out to your message thread list, say you want to delete this one right here, just swipe to the left and then it'll give you the option to delete or delete and block. So pick the one that you want to do. But then once you've done that, those messages still exist on your phone. If we tap on these 3 stacked lines up here and we see recently deleted, we go to that, we see those messages that we deleted. They're going to be gone, totally gone in 23 days. Usually it's 30 days, so I must have deleted some others recently. But anyway, usually it's 30 days and it counts down to 0. And once it gets to 0, those messages will be deleted. Or if you want to delete them right now, tap on that little radio button and tap on the trash can. You can also recover them if you want. So if I tap delete here, delete those 9 messages. Now they're gone from that message thread and from the messages trash can. However, before I get to the however, let's go back to that message thread right there. So those messages are gone, but on the other person's phone, they will still be there. The only time you can delete the messages that you sent to another person's phone is you can undo a send within 15 minutes. So if you say something like, hey, if you tap and hold on this, you can undo send. And I believe that's 15, no, I think that's 5 minutes or even 2 minutes that you can undo a send. You can edit the message for 15 minutes. Those options will disappear past the time frame that you're given. So my point of that is the messages you deleted that are older than 2 minutes and you didn't undo the send, they're only deleted from your side of the conversation. They're not deleted from the other person's side of the conversation. So that's something important to be aware of. And if you think that your phone might be tracking you or knows too much information about your location, this video will help you fix that and turn off all the different ways iPhone is tracking you and collecting your data. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and then I'll see you on this one.